Alright guys, in this video we are unboxing the brand new Apple Watch SE 2022. So with all the hype that's happening with the Apple Watch Ultra, you might be thinking, why even look into something like the Apple Watch SE 2022? And I think it's for the fundamental reason that even though that watch is on the extreme and maybe even the Series 8 is on the extreme, this has always been that reliable, well-priced watch that can get anyone into Apple Watches. So you guys have seen the box. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. You've gotta kind of open it like that. Yep, there we go. It's been a minute since I've unboxed an Apple Watch like this, I won't lie, but sport band, this is what it looks like. Pretty dope. Let's put that to the side for a second. And of course, the watch itself. Apple always with that packaging. All right, let's start off with the band. You can see that I have here the 41mm version of the watch. There we go, Apple Watch. There's the band. Looks good. A little bit thinner, honestly, than I was expecting, but it looks sick. I'm obviously gonna go for this medium variant here. I think it's a really, it is inherently a simple color. Personally, that's how I like my bands, right? Like, I think kind of having something simple, something reliable like this, that is perfect for, you know, going out with friends or at the same time going to the gym, right? I think you can get the job done. It's versatile and pretty much all you need. Okay, side note, I know Apple says they care about the environment and all that stuff, but like, was all of this packaging really necessary for some bands? I don't know. It's very nice. Like, bro, look at like the nice little graphics. It folds, very cool. But like, just like, this is a lot, bro. Okay, and now the watch itself. Let's get this unboxed. And don't worry, I've learned from the iPhone unboxing that you gotta do both sides. I'm stupid, I know. There we go. You already know, designed by Apple in California. Standard paperwork along with the Apple Watch charger, looking very nice. Now, of course, the watch itself. God damn it. Well, I messed that up, but like, you get the idea. You know, as somebody that's coming from a Series 3, which is kind of what this is the successor of, immediately one thing that I'm noticing is that the sensor on the back looks way more advanced than my Series 3. So you can tell that you're gonna be getting some new awesome technology in here, because it obviously has the same chip as the Apple Watch Ultra and the Series 8. I did decide to opt for that midnight colorway, and I've got to say, it looks really, really dope. Like, I have a black Apple Watch, and something about this color specifically, like, I don't know if it's the way how the light shines off it, but I really like this color. Simple, it's almost classy in a way. All right, let's get this thing turned on. All right, there we go. I will see you guys when this watch is fully set up. Okay guys, and here is the fully set up Apple Watch. Now, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I was going into this with the intentions that this is pretty much just like a more modern Apple Watch Series 3. But now that I've just had this watch in my hand for literally the past few minutes, I can already like feel these differences between this and my old Series 3. The first thing immediately is the fact that these two screens are technically the same size. I think this one's just maybe a touch bigger, but this watch, the watch itself, is significantly bigger in terms of size because this one has smaller borders, which makes it appear as though it has really small bezels. The second major thing is that the haptics on this are way, way stronger. Like, everything from turning the digital crown, like even this is so satisfying. Like, it's smooth, but you still get that haptic feedback every time that you click a button on the watch. When you even tap this, right, every single thing on this just feels amazing because that haptic engine is so much stronger. It's great. I think the Apple Watch Ultra and even the Series 8 is getting a lot of earned attention, for sure, 100%. But for the rest of us that, you know, don't upgrade their watches every year, because in my opinion, you know, it's not something that's that necessary, or you're just looking for the most affordable option, I can already see how this would be a great contender. Of course, I'll have more concrete ideas when it comes to the full review, but in terms of first impressions, this watch is pretty amazing. Be sure to check out the iPhone 14 unboxing if you haven't already. Like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.